What's up, YouTube? Hella fish here. We are out at Tokeland Beach again. They open up for razor clams, so we're gonna try to get our limit. Pretty calm today. It's not that windy. Not that many people out. But yeah, we'll check it out. See what happens. See if I can get a limit for you guys. After this, we're gonna go see if we get some red tail, surf perch, and hopefully go crabbing after that, because I brought all the gears with me. All right, guys, stay tuned. There's one right here. There's one. There it is, guys. It's all mangled up, but at this point, I don't really care. All right, guys, right here, clam hose, clam hole. That's questionable. Could be a clam hole. All right, let's see if I can get them. Facing the ocean, about 3 to 4 inches behind. Remember, these suckers are fast. I got him. I got him. Cracked him, but like I said, at this point, doesn't matter. You gotta keep them anyways if you crack them, no matter what size. That's the rules. 15 a person. Oh, it is a clam hole. That's a different one. Shit. Got him again. Cracked him again. Oh well. As long as we're getting them, it doesn't matter to me. Oh man, here comes the tide. Here comes the tide. Always facing the ocean when you're digging. You never know when the tide's gonna rush in like this. They do come in pretty quick, so always keep that in mind, guys, if you're out here clam digging. For beginners, I would recommend a clam gun for beginners. I like digging with a shovel. It's more fun. And it's a workout. It's a good workout. Alright, let's go back to our hole. Hopefully. Tide's coming in quick. It's coming in quick. All right, guys, so we are here in Tokeland. I don't see my friend anywhere, but we're just gonna start fishing anyways. Tide's still going out. Oh, wait, tide's coming in. Sorry about that. Tide's coming in. Oh man, it looks good. It looks promising. Let's hope we can get something, huh? I have a good feeling. I got a good feeling. Yeah, let's walk down there. Without killing ourselves, right? Let's get down to the beach. Oh shit, yeah, very slippery. Good thing I got my felt tip boots. Really helps. Be very careful, guys. These are slick. Watch your step. Don't step on the seaweed or you will slip and bust your head or whatever. All right. Wow, guys, this is nice. Let's go, let's go. Very calm day today. Oh, that's not him. Maybe it is. I don't know. Is that my buddy? Sure. I think it is him. Whoop! Yep, it is him. All right, guys, we are here today for some red tail surf perch. Wow, guys, look at this, look at this. Really cool stuff. Here we go. All right, guys, so we're just gonna continue walking along the beach until we get a bite. That's how these fishes work. They come in schools, they move up and down the beach. Any luck? A big one? Oh, look at his bag, look at his bag. Probably got like 4 or 5 in there. They're out here. Alright, guys, stay tuned. Check it out, check it out. My buddy got one. Dude, that's a fatty. Show the camera. Oh yeah, that's a nice red tail right there. Oh, nice. Fish on, guys. go. Yes, sir. All right. Finally got one. See that? Don't fall on me. Finally got one. Sweet, guys. Look, look, look. Yeah. All right, guys. Just got done fishing for surf perch. I didn't limit out. I caught one pretty good size red tail, and that was it. I mean, I think I missed the feeding time or whatever. So it's a green crab, you said? Yeah. Invasive green crab. Red crab. Small guy. We're gonna let him go though. Catching all the species today. Red rock crab.
Oh, you got a little red rock crab.
Yeah.
Yeah, they can eat those if they're 5.
I know.
Ain't nothing wrong with the red rock. Green crab.
Think so? Red crab, right?
They are real similar.
Yeah, because they'll have the.
Oh yeah, yeah.
They'll have the 3 points in the.
Yep.
Yeah, you're right. You read the ring. Because that's exactly what it says.
Cool though, huh?
I think they're 5 inches.
Yeah, 5 inches. Either sex, but I always feel